1. That is the first topic is gravitation. In that, Newton's universal law of gravitation. This law is, suppose we can consider two objects, that is object A and object B. That is this object A having mass m and object B having mass m2, and the distance between these two centers, that is suppose we can take D is the distance between these two objects. This A is object and having mass m and B object having mass m. We can say the law based on this relation. F is directly proportional to m1 m2 and inversely proportional to d square. Here m1 m2 object of these masses, that is here multiplication, that is product of masses of two objects, and here d is the distance between these two objects, that is square of the distance. We can say the law, that is statement of this law is according to this law. Every object in the universe, that is suppose object A and B, these two objects attracts every other object. Object A attracts object B towards itself and object B attracts object A towards itself. That is every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force, and this force is directly proportional to. Why? Because here m1 m2 is in a numerator, that is directly proportional. This force is directly proportional to product of masses of two objects and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. That is the law say that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force. This force is directly proportional to product of masses of two objects and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. For that, two cases, that is we double mass of any one object, then what will be the effect on the force? If we double the mass of any one object, m1 is equal to 2m1, that is then force is twice, that is 2 into F, force becomes twice, that is force is doubles the original force. If we double any one mass of object is doubled. Case 2, if we double the distance, that is d is equal to 2d, then what will be the effect on the force? If we double, then here F is inversely proportional to d square, that is m1 m2 as it is, then this 2d, that is 2d square, that is F is inversely proportional to, that is 2 square 4 and d square. Then overall effect on the force, that is force is decreases 4 times as a original force. If we double the distance between the object, the force is decreases at 4 times. We can take this distance is triple, that is thrice the original distance. Then this force is 9 times. Why? Because here square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. Then we can take in square. Then after that this force is 9 times or 4 times less than the original force if we double or triple the distance between the